It's not that easy.
It's now a race to 2 for these teams. Out of system play for Galleries Tower.
And that's off the block, and Ronquillo, quite a flyer. Dakis, Hardy. Oh, kept alive. Chance. Ronquillo. Hernandez. Ronquillo. Dakis. Hardy. And
Julina De La Cruz challenging the block of Ivy. That ball had enough power.
Here's the serve of Julina De La Cruz. We're tied at 24, race to 2. Perez. Oh, Baleton. Hammers that.
Gutsy play from Ivy Perez.
Yes.
One hand save. One hand set to Rosel Baleton.
Alam mo, si Ivy ganyan
For
Galleries. Pushed over. Chance. Up in the air. And that is goal. And listen to this crowd roar.
Robin Hardy.
And we are just in the first set. In the meantime. Second play, Hernandez, reverse pocket, drops the message, nagkagulo, block, battle, second play, Encarnacion with a stop, pocket, kept alive, bababa, and the crowd yelling, this shot, inside!
That is the reason why hindi mo talaga matatawaran ng isang veterana when it comes to experience in the end game. And in that rally, tinry ng Galleries Tower, bilisan yung play.